Thegia ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto kwanira king'ang'a-ini mahinda kwa mahinda ari kiama-ini kieru kia UDA kuhamurithio gwake kiama-ini kia Jubilee kuria koragwo ari munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kwahota gukorwo ari kiroto.
Mtu ambaye ni mtu mzima afanye na anashindwa kufanya, basi ni sasa ni shauri yetu, basi tuamue tutaenda mbele tupigane ama tuachana naye, kwa vile tuko na miezi kama 11 tutufike uchaguzi.
Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Rafael Tuju nurio kwaragia thutha wa mucemanio na atongoria matiganite ni ethemire kuheana mwerekera wa uria ndeto ino ikuoya na handu-ini hake ambika miario ya gukirira Ruto.
It is an open political secret that in the first term of the presidency of President Uhuru Kenyatta, the Deputy President William Ruto possessed some quote-unquote political blackmail stock options that he used to his great personal advantage.
Kuringana na Tuju, Ruto ni okete muno guku akiuga we na arumiriri ake ni makoretwo makiagira mutongoria wa bururi na family yake gitio.
We are sending the Deputy President William Ruto a public message that we will not countenance his venturing into crossing this line of referring to the family of the president, the late President Mzee Jomo Kenyatta.
Nayo ndeto egie kihumo gia utonga wake.
Please, His Excellency, the Deputy President, Dr. William Ruto, EGH, UPL, DL, CH, to show these our young people all the skills on how to acquire such property in such a short time.
Mierino ya umuthi yonekete kuonania mwatoka munene uria ukoretwo kiama-ini kia Jubilee ritariri atongoria gikiro kia iguru kiama-ini giki makiorotana o undu umwe na gukanirira na njira nene.
We believe that our president has been very tolerant and has accommodated his past behavior and demands as a statesman whose mission is to make Kenya viable by uniting our country.
Leave it to the Kenyans to determine the character of the person, right? If you can't follow the law, if you can't act like every other decent person is expected to do,